In our previous class, we have discussed about the properties of matter. Now we are going to discuss the states of matter. Matter exists in three different states. They are solid, liquid and gas. We will see about the properties of solid one by one. Solids have definite shape and fixed volume. That means they have their own specific shape and fixed volume. The space between the particle is minimum. So if you take the example of table, it is in solid state. So the particles have very less space between them. But the force of attraction between them is maximum. That means they are very strongly bonded to each other. The movement of particles is minimum. Particles don't move much. That's the reason why it is in solid state. They are least compressible. Least compressible is you can't compress it, you can't press it. Their rate of diffusion is least. Their rate of intermixing, if you remember, diffusion is intermixing. It is very, very less. Now let's see general properties in short. Solids are much denser than both gases and liquids due to the presence of very strong intermolecular force. So in the image you can see that they are denser than gases and liquids because they have strong intermolecular force. Solids are essentially incompressible because they have very less empty space. See children, wherever there is no empty space, you can't press that particular thing. So solids, we all know that they are strong and rigid. So we can't press them. Solids have definite volume and shape. Rigid. They are very, very rigid and they are not fluid. They don't flow. They are very, very strong and rigid. Solids have no translational motion, only vibrational motion. That means they are not translating, but they are vibrating, they are shaking. You can see how the particles are vibrating, and you can also see that how they vibrate and remain at their own place. They don't flow, they cannot be compressed, they are extremely rigid. Right? So quickly let's see the properties of solid again. Solids have definite shapes and fixed volume. The space between the particles is minimum. The force of attraction between the particle is maximum. The movement of the particle is minimum. They are least compressible and the rate of diffusion is least. See here, solid is compared to liquid and gases. So in comparison, you can see that solids are more rigid. They are denser than both gases and liquids. And solids have definite volume and shape. They have definite volume and shape because they are not fluid. They are rigid in their structure. And just now I told you about vibrations shown by solid state. So we can see over here that particles continuously vibrate. Okay. So these were all the properties about solid state.